Okay, we're going to go on to lesson 4. Teach your horse to stop from the word. Once he stays on the rail for you, then you can start asking him to stop through the word, whoa, of course. And then if he doesn't take that, make a move and give you a good enough stop, you just pick up on the rein, ride him through the turn and go back the other direction. And I'll keep doing that until he makes a good enough stop to satisfy me. Now, this horse stops pretty good from the word, so I'm going to make him try pretty good. The other green horse that we're going to have after this one, you know, it's going to be her first trip in the arena here, so if she just shuts down and stops moving, that'll be good enough for me on that horse. But I'm going to start the lesson by going to the right, or sorry, to the left here first. I got my rope in my left hand, so my right hand's free to roll him back. I'll start it at a trot first. And once he gives me, if he comes off the rail, I can use the word. So every time he fades off the rail now, I'll just say the word before I turn him back. Whoa. Turn him back and trot off. Change hands. Steer him around the corner. You want to keep your horse fairly close to the rail so that he does have to stop his feet before he goes back the other direction. Steer him around the corner. Whoa. Now I'm going to pick up the lope. Okay, he's staying on the rail pretty good. Oh, not a bad stop, but he come off the rail, so I'm going to go ahead and roll him back. You notice when I roll him back, I'm very soft with the line. Oh, he's stopping nice, but he come off the rail. I'm going to add a little speed now because he's coming off the rail. Oh, I'm just going to take him the other way because he tried to anticipate that turn. He needs to always wait for me. Oh,